I welcome all of you to another maths lesson. So today we'll continue the chapter quadratic equation. So we start with this 11th question. So I think we can do together. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Let's try it.
രണ്ട് വേരിയബിൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ടാവും ഇടത്.
It can be reduced to one single variable by substitution. By substitution method, we can reduce to one variable. Okay, this is the question. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So how can we do this? Okay, so you can start with the two variables, then you can simplify to one variable by substitution method. Okay, so two squares are there. The difference of their perimeter is 24 and difference of their areas is 468. No different. The sum of the areas is 468 meter square. We want to find the sides of two squares. So how can we start?
Let the side be x.
Yes, let the side of smaller square is x and larger square be y. Okay, let the side of smaller square is x and larger square is y. Then first, better you start with the perimeter relation. The difference of the perimeter is given that 24. So what will be the perimeter of the larger one? What will be the perimeter of the larger one?
4y.
4y, right? This is not rectangle. This is square. And what about the perimeter of the smaller one?
4x.
4x.
4x. Now take the difference. So larger minus smaller. So 4y minus 4x is equal to 24. You can take 4 common. So 4 taken outside. So 4 into y minus x is equal to 24. So what will be y minus x?
6.
24 by
Yes, 24 by 4,
6.
that is equal to 6. So y minus x is equal to 6. So what will be the value of y?
6 plus x.
6 plus
plus 6.
X.
6 plus x, very good. 6 plus x. So you look here. So now we got both the sides in terms of x. Okay. So the smaller, if the length of side of smaller square is x, then the length of side of larger square will be y, that is equal to 6 plus x. So now we have changed both in one variable by substitution. By substitution, y is equal to 6 plus x. This we can substitute. So the second equation will be like the sum of the square areas. What will be the area of the smaller one? Area of the smaller one.
X square.
X square.
Area of the larger one.
Y square.
Y square. Okay, area is equal to y square. So the sum of the area is given that 468. That means x square plus y square is given that 468. Now you can substitute this y is equal to 6 plus x here. So how will be the next line? X square.
Plus x square plus
X all square.
Yeah, 6 plus x all square is equal to 468.
406.
Okay. Then you want to expand this bracket, take like terms, add like terms, then make to the standard form, general form. Then identify A, B, and C, use quadratic formula, or you can use the first method, factorization method also. Then you want to find the value of x. If you get value of x, then you can substitute the value of x in this equation number 1, then you will get the value of y.
or 2x square plus 2x minus 432.
Okay, correct. Then identify A, B, C and find the solution. Or you can apply the factorization method.
Sir,
Yes.
x square plus 6x plus 216.
Okay, 216. Okay, so you divided the entire equation by 2, right? Listen, but after the expanding and making to the standard form, if all the terms are multiples of 2 or multiples of any number, you can divide the entire equation by that number. So here, you in the standard form, you will get a 2x square plus 6x minus 400 something. So you can divide entire equation by 2. Then you can simplify it. You can reduce the numbers, the coefficients. So when you get the value of x, don't stop there. Give the conclusion. The sides of the squares are dash and dash. Okay, we can discuss here. So next step, how will come x square plus, you can expand 6 plus x all square by applying the identity x plus y all square. So you will get 6 square plus 2 into 6 into x, that is 12x, plus x square is equal to 468. Now you can add like terms, x square plus x square will become 2x square, and 12x you write second plus 12x, and 6 square will be 36. So plus 36, and this 468 you move to left side. 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. Then you can subtract this. So you'll get 2x square plus 12x plus 36 minus 468. What will come? Minus, right?
Minus 432.
432. Okay, 432. Now you can divide this entire equation by 2. Dividing by 2, what will you get? Divide by 2 entire equation. So what will you get?
3 square plus 3x minus
Square plus 6x, right?
6x
6x minus
minus 216.
260.
216 is equal to 0. Quadratic formula method. So how will come? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 6, C is minus 216. We can do here. Then write B square minus 4AC, the discriminant. B square minus 4AC, what's the value here? B square is 6 square, that is 36. 36 minus 4 into A into C. 4 into 1 into C is minus 216. So what will come? 36 minus 4, minus will become positive. 4 into 216, how much will come? 4 into 216, 800?
64.
864. Okay, so adding these two, what will you get?
900.
900. So B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So there will exist two roots for this equation. Okay, now you apply the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC by 2A. So we substitute the values minus B, that is minus 6. B is 6, so minus B is minus 6, then plus or minus root B square minus 4AC, that is 900 divided by
30.
2A. What is 2A?
2.
2A is 2. Okay, 2A is 2. Okay. Now you want to take positive plus root 900 and minus root 900 separate. So you'll get to minus 6 plus 30 by 2 or minus 6 minus 30 by 2. So which are the values? 24 by 2 or 24 by 2 or
Minus 36.
minus 36 by 2. So 12 or minus?
Minus 18.
Minus 18. Is it possible minus 18?
No.
No.
Because x is side length of a square. So length of a side can't be negative. So you want to write here, since length can't be negative, the x is equal to 12. And that's the side length of the smaller square. So what will be the length of the larger square, side length of the larger square? That is y is equal to 6 plus x, right? So y is equal to 6 plus x. Then you substitute the value of x. So you'll get 6 plus 12, you will get 18. So the sides of the squares are 12 and 18. So we completed the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
E x square plus y square is equal to 468 ഇല്ലേ?
Yes.
അതൊന്ന് explain ചെയ്യോ?
Okay, that's the first statement in the question. Sum of the areas of the two squares is 468. So if the side of the smaller square is x, and the area of the smaller square will be x square. We know if the side length is 5, then the area of the square will be 25 cm square, right? If 5 cm, then 25 cm square. If the side length is 10 cm, then the area will be 100 cm square. So similarly, we have chosen this side length x and larger square side length y. So the sum of the areas of these two squares will be x square plus y square. That is 468 is given. Okay, then we substituted this y is equal to 6 plus x, then we expanded, then we made it into the general form, then we divided the entire equation by 2, then we identified a, b and c, then we applied the quadratic formula.
unique one slide.
Where the second line?
Yes, second middle portion.
Middle portion, okay, I shall explain the steps again. So you look at second step. So y we have already calculated, found in terms of x by applying the second statement given. The difference of the perimeter is 24. So 4y minus 4x is equal to 24. By simplifying this, we can write y is equal to 6 plus x. This value of y we can substitute here. Why we substitute? We want to make the equation in one variable. Okay, so we got x square plus 6x all square is equal to 468. Now in the next step we are expanding 6 plus x all square. So we have the identity a plus b all square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So applying this identity we get a 6 square first, then 2 into 6 into x, so that is 12x, then plus a b here b square, that the second term square here. So here x square. Okay, that is equal to 468. Then this like term x square plus x square will be 2x square. Then this 12x you write second position. So we will write the equations in the descending or order of the powers of variable. So x square term first, then x term, then constant term. So 6 square is 36. Then from the right side 468 move to left side. So this will come minus 468. Subtract this, you will get to 432. Now divide the entire equation by 2, you will get to x square plus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So you substitute the value, so a, b and c in quadratic formula, you will get the solution. Yeah, because the some numbers, some measures can be negative numbers. So here we have chosen the side length of a square. It can be negative, right? So we will never say the length of a side of a square is minus 18 centimeter. We will never say. So this is impossible. Okay. In some mathematics, we use negative sign for denoting the directions. Denoting the direction. Here, this is not such a problem. So here, the length cannot be negative. So we choose only 12. So then we substitute this value in y is equal to 6 plus x. We'll get the second number, second side.